Three injured after commercial jet crash lands and caught fire in Miami. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The crash landing of a jetliner that caught fire on the runway at Miami International Airport with 126 people on board had its passengers screaming and panicking, witnesses have stated.
Gracias a Dios hay una mierda de emergencia, papá. Toma huevo, te loco. Gracias a Dios hay una mierda de emergencia, papá. Ah. Toma huevo, te loco. Gracias a Dios hay una mierda de emergencia, papá. Ah.
The fire started Tuesday after the MD-82 jetliner landing gear collapsed on arrival from Dominican Republic, the Miami Aviation Department have stated. 3 passengers were taken to hospital with minor injuries while others were treated for minor bruises. The emergency crew was quick on the scene and managed to put out the blaze very quickly. Red Air is a low-fare airline that launched last year in November and only flies between Santo Domingo and Miami. The airline has 4 MD-81 and MD-82 aircrafts and more than 50 employees, according to a report. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.